What's up, people? This is L.T.I. Cultivating 101 with your host, yours truly, Mr. Johnny House. How y'all doing today? Thank y'all. Again, this is me, Johnny Louse. I'm here today. Letting y'all know about today. The pH balances go up and the pH balance down. You know, you have an acid right here, then you have a base right here. You also have the pH indicator as well. And up here you have the chart, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna be working with that today. And I'm gonna be telling y'all about plants and I even make butter, you know what I'm saying, shatter, all kind of oils. So if you're into that, you're gonna have a very good time listening to me. But don't just listen, you know what I'm saying, join in. Figure out what your hands can do. Okay, I already put my nutrients in the water. What I'm about to do now is check the balance again. Before y'all seen that the water wasn't good. And the chart also showed you, it indicated that the water was this way. So what we need to do is get the water in between there. You know, that's the best place for our pH levels to be. So, you know, let's see if we got it there now. Okay, I stirred up all my nutrients in the water. Again, I'm gonna take a sample. That's what we're gonna do. We take a sample and just like so, bam, and see what we got now. Okay, and as you can see, the water looks like, I would say, pea. So, and you indicated on there, it's the same color right up in there. So now you're ready to feed your plants because your water is good. Okay, that's all you needed to know right there. And there you go. I just want to thank y'all for sticking with me, watching my channel. You know, I also want to give a shout out to our team, our ground team, everybody out there that's showing love. You know what I'm saying? Sharing the videos, subscribing. You know, checking out what I got to say. It's gonna get interesting as I go. Like I said, I just started, but it is what it is. So, you know, I'll let your boy check me out, you know, in the future. I'm gonna be posting a lot of these videos, so, you know what I'm saying, you can have one-on-one time with me. And for the people that know me, y'all know I ain't lying. It's money on these trees that I got. Believe that.